The Realme 13 Pro Series 5G is set to launch in India soon. It will consist of two phones, the Realme 13 Pro and the Realme 13 Pro Plus. Here's a first look at the hands-on experience with the Realme 13 Pro Plus, showcasing both the front and back sides. The Realme 13 Pro and Realme 13 Pro Plus will be available in three stunning colors: Monet Gold, Monet Purple, and Emerald Green. Especially, the emerald green color looks classy, and the golden ring around the camera adds a touch of elegance. The Realme 13 Pro will be the first professional AI camera phone, ready to redefine photography for Realme. Realme has just confirmed some key camera details for the upcoming 13 Pro and 13 Pro Plus smartphones. They will feature two 50-megapixel Sony Lydia sensors for their main and zoom cameras, a 50-megapixel Lydia 701 sensor for the main camera, and a 50-megapixel Lydia 600 sensor with a 3x periscope lens, plus an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. The cameras will be powered by the HyperImage Plus engine, which Realme calls cutting-edge AI capabilities for image quality on par with professional DSLR cameras. The Realme 13 Pro Plus features a 6.7-inch curved AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. It will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset and run on Android 14. It will also come with a 5,500 mAh battery and 67-watt fast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.